Today, we're going to show you how to install a ferrite bead on transducer and marine network cables. The live scope system and chart plotters with transducers included will come with a ferrite bead. Ferrite beads are used to eliminate electromagnetic interference near the transducer and sonar device. You should install ferrite beads as close to the connectors as possible on network cables, transducer cables, and the live scope transducer cable. A loop will be made with the cable to prevent the ferrite bead from sliding on transducer and network cables. Make sure to not damage or remove the transducer tag on the transducer cable. You can place the ferrite bead below the tag to prevent any damage if the tag is too close. First, give the transducer cable slack and make your loop. Securely snap the ferrite bead around the transducer. Make sure you do not pinch the cables. A loop in the cable is not needed for live scope transducers due to its size. Place the ferrite bead between the transducer tag and as close to the connector as possible. Snap the ferrite bead securely to the live scope transducer cable. The ferrite bead can also be removed after securing it to the cable. Use a small flathead screwdriver to lift the tab holding the ferrite bead together. The ferrite bead can now be removed from the cable. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit marinesupport.garmin.com.